Amoxicillin/clavulanic acid, also known as Augmentin XR, is a combination penicillin-type antibiotic used to treat a wide variety of bacterial infections. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infections and will not work for viral infections, such as the common cold or flu. It's important to use this medication only when it is needed to avoid causing it to not work for future infections. The dosage and timing of taking Augmentin XR should be determined by your doctor based on your medical condition and response to treatment. It is usually taken every 8 to 12 hours with food. Be sure to take it at the same times each day to maintain a consistent level of the drug in your body. Always follow your doctor's instructions for the best results. When taking Augmentin XR, it's important to take it with a meal or snack, as directed by your doctor, usually every 12 hours. Avoid taking it with a high-fat meal, as it can reduce the absorption of the drug. Be sure not to crush or chew the extended-release tablets, as this can release too much of the drug at once, increasing the risk of side effects. Swallow the whole or split tablet without crushing or chewing. For the best results, take this antibiotic at regular intervals. Try to take it at the same time every day to help you remember. It's important to continue taking this medication until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if your symptoms improve. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to return. If your condition persists or worsens, be sure to consult your doctor. If you experience diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting while taking Augmentin XR, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. Taking this medication with food can help reduce stomach upset. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential risks. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to contact your doctor immediately if you experience signs of liver disease, such as persistent nausea or vomiting, loss of appetite, abdominal pain, yellowing of the eyes or skin, or dark urine. Additionally, if you experience easy bruising or bleeding, or unusual tiredness, it's important to seek medical attention. In rare cases, this medication can cause a severe intestinal condition due to a bacteria called C. difficile. If you develop persistent diarrhea, abdominal pain, or notice blood or mucus in your stool, it's important to contact your doctor. Prolonged or repeated use of this medication can result in oral thrush or a new yeast infection. If you notice white patches in your mouth, a change in vaginal discharge, or other new symptoms, it's important to contact your doctor. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as a fever that doesn't go away, new or worsening lymph node swelling, rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Amoxicillin, one of the components of Augmentin XR, can cause a mild rash in some cases. If you develop a rash, it's important to seek medical help to determine if it is a sign of a severe allergic reaction. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088, and in Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Augmentin XR, it's important to let your doctor know if you have any allergies to amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, penicillin, or cephalosporin antibiotics, as it may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have liver or kidney disease, or a certain type of viral infection. If you are planning to have surgery or receive any vaccines, be sure to inform your doctor about your use of Augmentin XR. During pregnancy, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, and it passes into breast milk, so consult with your doctor before breastfeeding. Always follow your doctor's instructions and ask them about the best time to take this medication and the appropriate dosage for your condition. Drug interactions can affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. One product that may interact with Augmentin XR is methotrexate. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, like certain urine glucose tests, which could lead to false test results. It's crucial to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are taking this drug. If someone takes too much Augmentin XR and experiences serious symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include persistent diarrhea, severe vomiting, and changes in urine output. Remember, it's important not to share this medication with others. This medication is prescribed specifically for your current condition, so don't save it for another infection without consulting your doctor. If you're on long-term treatment, your doctor may want to monitor your kidney and liver function, as well as your blood counts. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more information. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, then just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Augmentin XR, it is important to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom, and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding the medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly dispose of the product when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.